Mm-hmm.
So I'm cutting some plugs to replace these guys that were in the concrete. Screws weren't long enough, so they just pulled right out. I'm gonna make them out of wood. I'm gonna cut them first and then carve them. There you are. And then I just carve them to fit in the hole. Might take a little carving, but they're gonna go.
What hole are you
Promise.
talking about?
Huh?
What hole are they going in?
Well, I got a couple of them. There's one hole right here. And there's another one down there. And I'm just gonna hold our gutter strap
Where's the hole?
in
Oh, there it
place.
is.
Did you find it? Yep, that's the
Why
hole.
are you doing that?
Huh?
Why are you plugging that hole?
Well, for one, these
Oh.
plastic things didn't work very well.
Oh,
These are
just keep it the gutters. Okay.
Yeah. These are to replace those little inserts that weren't working very well. So what I'm going to do is completely fill the hole with wood, and then when I add the screw, it's going to expand and hold it in. You know, it's going to be beautiful. I just got to whittle a little bit. Cut that out of a scrap piece that wasn't completely rotten. That's going to be good, I think. Get my little ham dammer. Put that right there. Yeah. Tap it in a little bit. Break it off. And now it's full of wood. Let's see.
Where is it?
You can't find it?
No.
It's right here. On the end of my finger.
Where's your finger? Oh, okay. All right.
Nice.
Wood, so the gutter.
Let's see if this is going to be long enough. I think it is. So if it starts screwing in right there, that's going to be plenty long enough. I got a couple of different length screws because I didn't know, but those will work just fine. Let me get my little feller to screw them in.